In this video we will talk about a personal skincare program for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Why is it that all of us cannot keep the skin we were born with? Well, I've still got my skin, but it has changed and, according to my mother, it has changed a lot. It would also need to have stretched a bit, well, in my case stretched a lot. As we get older, things happen to our skin, like wrinkles. I have them, but I am a man, so I can get away with it. Unfortunately, ladies find it harder to get away with having a few wrinkles. As a man, I am not too bothered by a few wrinkles, and as long as I keep my skin clean, I do not bother with it much and no one really notices. What we do notice though is skin on women, and because many men are somehow genetically programmed to be uncaring and insensitive about your skin, you spend a great deal of time and effort to make your skin look good. Why is it then that men can get away with wrinkles but women cannot? Is there anything you can do about it? If you adopt a skincare program, then this should help to affect how your skin looks, and more importantly it will affect how you feel as well, and that is very important. You have to remember that the skin is the largest organ in your body, and so by adopting a skincare program you are looking after yourself. So what can you do about it? Well, to start with, after every shower, even after you have dried yourself, your skin is still damp, and by applying moisturizer you are trapping moisture into your skin, which is a great plus factor. Another one is to drink water, and this hydration helps your skin as well. However, if you notice that even after this your skin is always dry and sometimes a little flaky, just visit your doctor to check things out. One other reason you should quickly visit is if there is a major change, such as dark or lighter skin patches and any changes or growth to moles you may have. Get these checked out just to make sure you have no problems. One thing to watch out for is the effect the sun has on your skin. The sun is at its fiercest when it is highest, which is generally at midday, so just take care. Applying a good sunscreen helps, and another thing to take into consideration is that elastin, which is a substance in your skin, breaks down under strong sunlight. This can cause the skin to sag, so just be careful. It is a pity about the effects of sunlight on skin, as most of us feel much happier when exposed to sunlight. Rather than buy every skincare product on the market, there is a lot you can do to help your skin by developing your own personal skincare program. Healthy skin is helped by a healthy diet, and a healthy diet is usually a balanced diet containing fresh vegetables and fruit. Both of these have been found to contain antioxidants which can help your skin protect itself from day-to-day living. To get the best values from fruit and veg, though, it must be fresh or only lightly cooked. Another important factor in skincare is skin hydration, and this is helped by drinking a sensibly amount of water. I have seen it suggested that 4 to 8 cups a day is sensible, but if you are drinking bottled mineral water, check the chemical makeup of the water, as some are high in sodium, which means high salt levels. Do not fall into the trap that drinking 4 to 8 cups of coffee a day, which is mainly water after all, is as good for you. Coffee contains plenty of caffeine, which helps the body to dispose of water. I had a great idea that I would drink beer instead of coffee, as that is mainly water, but drinks containing alcohol, including wine, do not class as water either. It does not have to be bottled water either. Tap water is fine as long as it is pure and clean. Not at bedtime though, as drinking late at night means your body may retain this water, causing your skin to stretch a little, which is not something you want to happen. Your skin also stretches when you become overweight, and after a diet, and losing weight, you will need to exercise to tone your skin into shape again. A younger person has more flexible skin, but when you are older your skin is not as flexible and it becomes harder to tone your skin after losing weight. The answer is not to try and put on weight in the first place, but that is not always easy, especially as we get older. However, please try to keep weight gain off your skincare program, as the two do not go together. Whatever you decide to do some research and find out what will work best for you. One way of doing this is to talk to people selling skincare products in stores. Although their job is to try and sell you their product, they will still give you good advice. You could ask your friends as well, as some of them may be able to guide you in the right direction. Whatever you decide to do, good luck. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.